Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing my trading strategy for the coming week. But before we get into that, a few housekeeping issues to go over. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion. It's meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. Remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button, little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups with your email. You can also then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. Works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a download link to get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. This ebook talks a lot about the trading strategies that I go over in these videos. And of course, our email service, our text messaging service, and ebook are all completely free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord chat rooms, no Telegram groups, no WhatsApp groups whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First of all, I'm going to talk about Thursday's alert was a dud. Monday's alert was a big winner, up over 50%. So I was 1 for 2 last week. I am going to be doing a makeup for subscribers this week. So click the link in the description. Make sure you are a subscriber to get my next NASDAQ penny stock runner. But this on Thursday, it's always important, guys. I'm not into the diamond hands, paper hands BS. Always use stop losses. Minimize it. The key is you're in the trading business. It's maximize gains, minimize losses. If a trade is not working out, just get out. Keep the stop loss, 5-10%. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, just trying to help you guys as much as possible. But there are 6 areas that are working right now. I'm trading the chop in the SPY. I'm trading with options and the leveraged ETFs. Here you can take a look. I'm using on the ETFs the SPXL and the XPXS for the S&P, TQQ, and SQQ for the NASDAQ. I didn't trade Friday. I used the opening range setup the first 15 minutes. I'm looking for a clear trend, clear break from that. I didn't like the action on Friday. Thursday, I had a great day, made money. If you're not already with Webull, click the link in the description. You can sign up, get up to 12 free stocks. You must deposit, just put in $100. You'll get that back with free commissions and free stocks. You can also trade options and also trade these leveraged ETFs without paying any commissions. So I recommend Webull. Check it out, see if it's right for you. The other thing that's working, moving on, is oil. I've been bullish oil this year. I've been telling you guys over and over again that we're heading higher. OPEC is not cooperating. They are tightening production, and if you look at what's happening, Keystone Pipelines, Biden administration's not granting new oil permits. And a lot of companies have just not invested in the in new production that they need to. More demand, less supply, more demand. It's only going to send the prices higher. I said my target for oil by the end of the year is $100. Next year, first quarter, I see us hitting 110, 120 possibly. So again, depends on how Putin's war in Ukraine goes. We could get prices going a lot higher. One way I've been playing this is with NINE. I've been talking about this in the channel for all year. It's been a great trader, and we bottomed out here in September, just under 250. We're at $7. So again, less than 2 months, nice gains here in NINE. Congrats if you been watching this channel, if you're a subscriber, that you are still in NINE. Next up, guys, this third area that's making money right now is these Chinese names, these low float. They put HUDI put out a press release, and the reason that there was nothing really exciting about this press release. The company announced strategic plan to enter new energy industry, initiates discussion with the Sichuan local government to invest and construct new energy battery and storage project. So it was light on details, but the headline hit a lot of the keywords that the algorithms look at, and then you look at there's just 3.24 million shares in the float. We had 1.2 million shares traded on Friday. So this is what's happening. It was just this was algorithm driven. If you look at the trading action, it was very, very volatile, very choppy. I did not trade HUDI. I didn't send out an alert on it just because it was just too risky, and I don't want to give subscribers anything that I think is deemed too risky. HUDI closed at 180. We're bidding 115 in the after hours. So again, ouch. If you're in HUDI and didn't get out on Friday, big drop coming on Monday. So again, you got to trade the volatility, but just trade it. Don't hold it. Get in, get out, make that money, move on to the next play. Fourth area that's working right now is these busted SPACs and IPOs. Two that really had big weeks were PKBO and SATX. PKBO dropped from $15 down to under $4. Then rallied all the way to 10. A lot of volatility, but again, when they bust like this, you get this big drop. You can go in, buy the dip, and then swing trade it and get out. These are not long-term holds. SATX from $52 all the way down to $8. Nice bounce on Friday from 8 to 16. So get in, get out, make that money, move on to the next play. Fifth area that's working right now is short squeeze plays. Ham on Twitter, at Ham Short Killer. He's been all over these short squeeze plays. There's a video that talks about former SEC enforcement lawyer Jacob Frankel talks about on how the agency combats naked shorting. Naked shorting is real, guys. It's not a conspiracy theory. It's real. It is happening, and basically for those of you that don't know what naked shorting is, it means shorting a stock without locating a stock to borrow. So if you own shares in, GTII, FNGR, and the shorts want to short these names, they have to first locate, pay a borrow fee, but a lot of that is not happening. So it is illegal, and the SEC, quite frankly, is just asleep at the wheel, and they are not making cases like they should. There's a couple links. One stock, VNUE, they take file. This was in early October. They take legal action against alleged serial toxic lender acting as unregistered dealer. They filed a lawsuit against Power Up Lending Group and its CEO Kurt Kramer in federal court in order to challenge and rescind several convertible note transactions. This is going on. The SEC, they have commenced some actions, including against John Fife and his company, Justin Keener and his company, JMJ Financial, John D. Fierro and his company, JDF Funding. For those of you that have been in OTC a long time, John and his brother, they were known as the Fierro brothers, market makers, well known. They've been in the SEC in the game a long time, and they've made a lot of money. But again, they've taken these toxic lending is taking advantage of companies and also the retail shareholders. So again, not good guys, and finally the SEC took some actions, but they're asleep at the wheel on a lot of the stuff that's happening in terms of naked shorting. And what they're doing is, the actions that they took is basically against the toxic lenders. They're saying, okay, if you gave money to a company, took back, did toxic convertible notes, but if you didn't register as a broker dealer, that's where you made the illegal action, which is just a paperwork. It's just an enforcement. They're not cracking down on where they should be, which is the market manipulation. So again, you're filing these lawsuits alleging, not registering as a broker dealer. You're not, they're not focusing on the market, the illegal market manipulation, which again, according to, Jacob Franco, former SEC, he's like, oh, these are harder cases to make, and the SEC doesn't want, it's like they put everything in the too hard category, but we need someone at the SEC to dust those cases off and actually make a major market manipulation case. FNGR, they put out a press release. They've hired a law firm to present. The company believes may have been the target of a market manipulation scheme involving naked short selling of fictitious shares of its common stock that were neither authorized nor issued by the company. Finger Motion intends to thoroughly investigate and aggressively prosecute any party that attempts to manipulate the market price of the company's shares, and will spare no expense in protecting the rights and interests of its shareholders. And this stems from a deal that they did with Lynn Partners back in August. And again, the SEC really needs to take the lead in this, not the companies, but the company is trying to protect itself. Hopefully they can put together a major case and then present it to the SEC or DOJ for further investigation. New play that we've been first time talking about on this channel is CRTD. This is another naked short opportunity, naked short squeeze opportunity, I should say. This is coming from Ham Short Killer. Again, he's been all over GTII and FNGR. CRTD is the latest one that he has identified. So CRTD, if it's not already on your radar screen, it should. Next up is MMAT and MMTLP. MMAT is running. That has 270 million shares in the float. 11 million shares of the float is already short. Again, that's what's disclosed. It doesn't include any naked shorting. So that's 30 million shares, $45 million bet right now by the shorts against the company. MMTLP is getting ready. They are doing the spin-off, Next Bridge Hydrocarbons. The S1 has been filed, waiting for it to go into effect, and that's what everyone's excited about in terms of MMTLP. There's a major short position in this. The way it will work is this MMTLP will no longer trade. The company is going to go private. And this is going to force the market makers to close out the short positions that are out there. So any naked shorting, they're going to get squeezed. We are expecting a major move in MMTLP. And again, as you can tell, they keep getting nervous. So again, this has just been climbing. This is like climbing a wall of worry. And we're just waiting. We get above $8, you're going to get that blow-off move. We think it's going to be epic. We could be an HUDI type of move. So MMTLP is one you should definitely have on your radar screen. Lastly, on the OTC right now, the only thing that's working is reverse merger plays. A couple of plays here are CNNA, GCLT, DVLP, CGRA, PLPL, WLAN, XCPL, GDVM. GDVM has been just a great, absolute banging job here. I talked about this one last week. A lot of due diligence here. There's coverage on insiderfinancial.com about GDVM, CGRA, WLAN. Go to insiderfinancial.com and you can take a look at what we've had to say about those plays. There's a lot to like about this. Yeah, you can see 4 hot OTC stocks, MMTLP, GDVM, WLAN, CGRA. Get ready. You should go and read that article and also the video I did. MMTLP, GDVM, WLAN, and CGRA stocks set to explode. So again, a lot happening there, but these old legacy OTC plays like Humble, they're just not working. They diluted shareholders to death. You got to get into these new reverse merger plays that are not doing dilution. Play the reverse merger, get in, get out. Guys, you're playing these long-term plays trying to say that the next OTC stock is going to become the next Amazon. It's not happening. OTC, 99% of it is a pump and dump. You got to play the pump, get out before the dump. But, in these plays, you can make 50, 100%, 200, 300, 500%. I mean, we're not getting the 10Xs right now, but they're out there. And once we get a hot market, you're going to really see that come to light. So again, there are still plays working on the OTC. It's these reverse merger plays, that are in the double zeros or trading at a penny. That's where the real opportunity is right now. We cover all of them here at insiderfinancial.com. We're always on the lookout for the next big reverse merger runner. Sign up, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. And guys, again, it's completely free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. So sign up, check out our research, and we always put, our research, we always do a full report so that you can assess and do your own due diligence. We do not just send out a ticker, oh, we like this. We send out a complete detailed report to subscribers. So again, it's completely free. With that being said, let's make some money. Let's have a big week. I hope this video was helpful, and let's make some money. And I'll be coming live to you Monday after the bell with the new video update. Have a great Sunday, everyone, and let's have a big trading week. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.